Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make this easy DIY robe. If you have been wanting a house robe but don't want to pay in-store prices, this easy DIY robe is for you. It is so soft and comfy, you'll be wearing this robe all the time. The included free pattern makes it simple to put this together. Pick out some plush fabric and let's get started. Start by downloading, printing, and assembling your pattern at the link in the description. Once you have done that, we will start by sewing our pockets. Find the top of your pocket. For the top of your pocket, fold it 1 inch towards the wrong side. Fold all the other edges wrong sides together by 1/4 of an inch. Pin or press to hold in place. Sew 1/8 of an inch away from the folded edge of the top of the pocket only. Pin the pocket to the front of the robe pieces using the pocket placement guide or to your liking. Sew the pocket to the robe front, making sure you do not stitch the top of the pocket closed, and backstitching at the top of the pocket to secure. With this pocket in place, we will sew the belt loops. If you are familiar with making bias tape, we will use the same technique to make the belt loops. Take your fabric piece and fold the long edges of the belt loops toward the center. Fold the belt loop in half. Sew through all layers of the folded edges. Now, we will make the belt for the robe. Take your fabric piece you cut from the pattern. With the right sides together, pin the belt at the short edges and sew. Fold the belt right sides together and pin all around the belt. Sew the belt, leaving a 2-inch opening to turn the belt right side out. Turn the belt right side out. Pin the gap closed and sew all around the belt. With the belt done, we will move on to sew the shoulders. We are about halfway through this sewing tutorial. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button. With right sides together, pin the back of the robe to the 2 robe fronts at the shoulder seam. Sew the shoulder seam. To attach the belt loops, fold your belt loop in half, and using the marking found on the pattern piece as a guide, pin your belt loops in place as shown. You can pin to secure or use a machine basting stitch. Next, we will attach the sleeves. Find the center point of your sleeve and mark with a pin or clip. With right sides together, align the center mark of the sleeve with the shoulder seam. Pin and sew the sleeve to the robe. With the robe front and back right sides together, pin the sleeve to the hem of the robe. Sew the side seams together. To attach the binding, with the right sides together, pin the binding at the short edges and sew. Fold the binding right sides together. Find the center of the robe back and pin the seam of the binding to that point. Continue, pinning the binding to the right side of the robe, aligning raw edges. Sew the binding to the robe. Fold the hem of the sleeves wrong sides together by 1/2 inch and sew. Repeat for the robe hem. Grab a book and a cup of tea, make yourself comfortable, and enjoy your new robe. If you enjoyed this fun sewing tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our new videos every week. Thanks for watching.